Ready to unlock the power of staking and earn rewards on your crypto? First, you'll need a crypto wallet that supports staking. Let's find the perfect fit. There are primarily three types of wallet: software wallets, which are apps on your phone or computer; hardware wallets, physical devices for ultimate security; and exchange wallets, offered by platforms like Binance or Coinbase, that handle staking for you. The most important thing is to choose a wallet that supports the specific cryptocurrency you want to stake. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. Make sure your wallet is compatible. Once you have selected a wallet, you will select the Create Wallet option. Write down your seed phrase. It's a series of words that allow you to recover your wallet if you lose access. Think of it as the master key to your digital vault. Keep it offline and extremely secure. Next, find the deposit or receive option within your wallet. Select your chosen crypto and copy your unique wallet address. This is where you'll send your crypto to get started. Now for the staking. Look for a stake or delegate option in your wallet. You will need to choose how much of your crypto you want to stake. You're all set. Your rewards will start accruing, so sit back and watch your crypto grow. Now you can unlock the power of staking and earning rewards on your crypto.